For 25,000 rupees, if you need a high performance smartphone with a 5G cellular technology, then this video is for you. In this video, we will see the killer Redmi K50i 5G smartphone, which is the best in performance. Before that, hello guys, if you are new to the Carton Box channel, please watch all our videos, subscribe and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Let's get into the video. Inside the box, they provided a transparent soft TPU case, 67-watt charger, Type-C cable and an extra SIM ejector tool. This Redmi K50i comes in 3 different colors: Phantom Blue, Quicksilver and Stealth Black. In this video, we are going to see the Phantom Blue variant. The body of the mobile is made up of plastic and the blue color seems attractive and glossy. The build is lightweight, which is 200 grams. Regarding the display, the Redmi comes with a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus along with an adaptive color display with a 144Hz refreshing rate, which is very cool. It has 7 stages of dynamic refresh rate which produces 1 billion colors. The colors are vibrant as well. It has a perfectly framed display with a width of 20.5:9 aspect ratio, with which we can hold the device easily for a long duration. Another piece of info on this is that it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 support. 144Hz Liquid FFS display gives a smooth and responsive in-hand experience. It has a setting where you can change the refresh rate to 60Hz, 90Hz and a maximum of 144Hz. With this specification, you will get a good experience for gaming especially. Dolby Vision support is also there, but when it comes to a smartphone usage, the outdoor display brightness seems okay, but not that vibrant. Coming to the speaker, they have given dual stereo speaker with a Dolby Atmos support, a pucca combination for the sound experience with the rich and deep bass. Display and audio specs give an excellent experience for the mobile users. Coming to the camera, they have a triple camera setup with primary camera 64 megapixel main camera with ISOCELL primary sensor and secondary 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 120-degree FOV 2 megapixel macro. The selfie camera comes with 16 megapixel. AI noise reduction algorithm is implemented in the smartphone for taking perfect pictures day and night. 4K video recording is also available at 30 FPS slow motion support. Other modes like Vlog mode, long exposure, short video, clone mode, time lapse, panorama and document mode is also available. For audio, 3.5mm audio jack is provided and an IP53 rating is there. Other features like IR blaster, X-axis linear motor and 4D haptics vibration is also given. Coming to the battery, Redmi K50i comes with a 5080 mAh battery and a 67 watts PD fast charging support turbocharger. It works all day long and not worry about the power. Comes in 2 variants, LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It has 2 variants, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage and 8GB RAM and 256GB variant. LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage takes the device to the next level with a gaming experience. With this spec, the heat is raised and the heat dissipation is done by the extensive liquid vapor chamber cooling system 2.0 with a 7-layer of graphite. Regarding the OS, it has Android 12 with the MIUI version 13. Alexa is built into the smartphone and comes with pre-installed apps. If you want, you can delete these apps as well. Alright, save the best for the last. Yes, it's the performance. It comes with one of the best performance chips, Flagship Mediatek Dimensity 8100 processor, which is built in 5nm process technology architecture. You can compare with this with Snapdragon 888 processor. It's one step ahead and gives 25% better CPU power efficiency. This could be the game changer in this price range. If you want a high performance smartphone for usage with other specifications, you can definitely go for this smartphone. Please check out the link given in the description and buy this Redmi K50i 5G smartphone via Amazon. If you are already using this product, please feel free to share your review in the comment box so that it will be helpful for others who want to buy this product. Alright, that's all for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Carton Box channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.